So if you've been following along for a while now, you'll notice that JBL has been making big plays in the gaming audio space with the launch of their Quantum series of products. It was only natural that they'd finally launch a nice quality streaming USB microphone. And alas, the time has come. Enter the JBL Quantum Stream. So before we get into the details of the Quantum Stream, what makes this an interesting little USB-C mic, optimized for streaming purposes of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming content. And here's your question of the day. What is your current microphone solution for your PC? And tell me why. So a little background of the Quantum line for you. JBL has multiple Quantum headsets. They're all made for different feature sets and different price points. Some of them include microphones, some of them are wireless, and some of them even include head tracking, which is really cool. But that is primarily your listening solution. JBL is aware of this fact, and therefore they have given us the Quantum Stream, because in this product are dual condenser capsules and an integrated ADC, or analog to digital converter. The opposite of a DAC, which we more commonly talk about since we are now taking sound and turning it into a digital stream rather than the other way around. Also with this mic, you have the ability to run different polar patterns. Okay, what does that mean? Basically, that is how does the microphone pick up sound, in which direction and which characteristic. The first of those is going to be as a cardioid pattern. This is the standard for most microphones of this type. It wants to pick up what's in front of it, it wants to try to reject what's behind it. Makes the most sense. However, this also has an omnidirectional mode, just a big circle, evenly all around, if you want to place this mic more centrally and maybe pick up multiple people positioned around it. You've also no doubt noticed that there is a USB-C cable coming out of this. I figured I'd show that off a little bit. Nice long cable with USB-A attachment to your PC. What JBL set out to do here is to give you something that's easy to set up, as I've already mentioned, easily adjustable, such as how you have this omnidirectional movement on the included stand, but you can even unscrew the stand and put this on a boom if that's more your style. Another great feature built into this is on the bottom, you might be able to see here, there is a little headphone jack. In the event you are running more traditional headphones, there is a DAC / a little amp inside this unit to give you an option for doing so, and your adjustment on the front here is just that. Tapping the top of your microphone also immediately mutes it for just very easy cutting this out. Say, for example, you need to turn around and talk to someone in your home, but don't need the rest of the world hearing it. So I like that, boom, that's mute. That's really easy. The other feature worth mentioning is the ADC in here, which I already said was very good, is capable of about 24 bits and 96 kilohertz, which is great. Plugging this in your computer also gives you access to the Quantum Engine software, which allows you to do some further customization on how the mic is operating, set the RGB, and a handful of other great features. It's a solid USB mic, it's got USB-C connectivity, the build quality feels good, the included stand is actually useful, and its features make sense and they're intuitive. Also, the mic quality is just straight up better than any boom mic you've probably heard on a headset, because by virtue of being a larger dedicated mic, that's just what it means. Actually using the Quantum Stream, really in a word, it's easy. You plug it in, you download the Quantum Engine software. Frankly, you don't even need it, but it does help with some features. Recognize the microphone immediately. I was immediately able to get this connected to Discord and working. Folks listening to me talk through it said that it sounds better than a headset mic, which is exactly what it set out to do. And all of the software that needed to be connected with it easily recognized it. I was really hoping I wasn't going to run into any driver issues or problems with different voice chat apps not seeing it. That was not the case. It just worked out of the box. JBL usually gets their software right, and I'm happy to report that they did so here. The touch to mute work really well. The adjustments work well, and then even running this with two people in the room, still on the cardioid pattern, was really clear for folks on the other side. So if you want to upgrade your microphone game, want something better than a typical boom mic, want to sound a little bit clearer, easier to recognize for folks listening on the other side, this is the one to get. It's small enough to be unobnoxious and out of the way, but big enough to just be a decent microphone. For just under $100, if you're looking to pick up a great mic, you want it to serve the gaming aesthetic well with the RGB lighting, the nice slate look, this is really the one to get, and especially if you've already got the whole JBL setup. if that sounds like you, click the link down below to go to skybygramophone.com so you can check out securely and get fast and free shipping straight to your door. And if you want to check out some other JBL products, stop by the Gramophone showrooms. We'd love to demo some of this stuff for you. You'll find us in Columbia, Timonium, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. And of course, don't forget our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley. If you guys had fun today, give this video a thumbs up, chat with me down below, and don't forget the question of the day. And of course, be seeing you.